Hi everyone, Simon here. I'm a professional trader with an 88.7% win rate. Today, I'm gonna share a great strategy that's ideal even for beginners in trading. Watch this video till the end to learn how to identify the optimal entry points to enter a trade and get stunning results. Let's get started. As you can see, I've already got the platform fired up. I even withdrawn all the funds to show you how I trade with a small initial amount. So I'll breeze through the settings real quick and then we'll jump right into trading. I've got 20 for investment. Yeah, I know it's a very small deposit, but that's exactly the kind of amount I usually use to test strategies, and I recommend you do the same. Trade duration is gonna be 1 minute. Let's set the candlestick time frame to 30 seconds. The currency pairs I'm gonna with today are the Australian and the Canadian dollar, the Australian and the US dollar, the Canadian dollar and the Swiss franc, and the Canadian dollar and the Japanese yen. All with the maximum percentage 92. Now let's move on to the first pair and add the indicators MACD and stochastic. Awesome. This is a combination of top quality indicators. Why? I'll explain that in detail towards the end of the session once you've seen them in action. Now for the MACD, let's set the fast period to 15, slow period 27, signal period 10. And we'll tweak the styles to make the lines thicker and each indicator a different color for better visibility. And for the stochastic styles parameters, we'll make all the lines thicker and choose brighter colors for the main lines so they're super clear and visible. Also, back when I got started, I had no clue where to begin. I was lucky enough to have a mentor who guided me. Now, I want to be that mentor for you. I genuinely enjoy sharing value with newbies who want to make it in trading. In my Telegram channel, I share daily signals that are tried and tested. A beginner just needs to copy them and see results. My trading strategy represents 8 years of experience and over 10,000 hours of practice. I trade live and all you have to do is follow my steps. The channel is free at the moment, but I'm not sure how long that will last. Click the link in the description now and subscribe so you don't miss out. My videos might never pop up in your feed again. I'll personally help you get started making money. Don't waste any time, we'll be waiting for you in our trading community. Now let's start trading. The first pair on the list is the Canadian dollar and the yen. And I'm diving into a downside trade. The chart is showing slow movements that indicates a formed peak and a gradual downward trend. Both indicators are backing up my prediction. Alright, the trade closed near the entry point, which is risk when trading in a sluggish market, but still I came out on top. Why? Because I'm working with the most lucrative type of trading. The key here is accurately forecasting price movements over a specific time frame, which I nailed. Moving on to the Canadian dollar and the franc. I'm bumping up the investment to 38. Let's go for higher. I entered the trade after a strong bearish push, anticipating a rebound, plus the stochastic lines started dipping into the oversold zone. This is how I prefer to close trades. The deposit is now up to 73, which is great news. Let's keep it rolling. Now it's the Australian and the American's turn. I'm bumping up the investment and going for the fall. The asset hit its peak and started to reverse its trend. Stochastic indicators are also sharply declining, signaling a continuation of the downward trend. I've discussed similar market scenarios with my Telegram subscribers recently. They know to keep an eye on how the chart behaves near the resistance zone and how the stochastic indicates bullish support. Another great trade, things are looking up. Let's continue. The Australian and the Canadian are showing mixed signals on the chart. I'll skip it and head straight to the Canadian dollar and yen. Investing 140 for growth. Stochastic is almost touching the 30 mark and there's a significant bearish trend. It makes sense to expect a rebound. To learn how to effectively identify entry points like me, join my Telegram channel. In it, I reveal all the nitty-gritty of technical analysis. I also host daily live training sessions and demonstrate how the material you've learned works in practice. And the best part, it's all free. Just copy my actions and get results. Just click on the link in the description under the video and in the first pinned message, and shoot me a private message. See you on Telegram. Meanwhile, the trade has closed and I increased my deposit again. Amazing. Canadian dollar and franc again. I'm changing the amount. Let's press lower. In this situation, it was evident that a sharp downward movement of prices would follow. Firstly, the powerful bullish momentum continued for a long time without rebounds. Secondly, the stochastic lines remained sideways while the price was rising. So this chart behavior was entirely expected. We've got 516. That was, I call, the result of competent technical analysis. Let's move on. Back to the Australian and American dollar. I'm investing the entire amount and going bearish. The bulls attempted to overcome the resistance level for the second time but failed. This gave the bears the upper hand. This is also evident from the sharp drop in indicators and the decline in MACD. By the way, right now, while we are analyzing the chart, my channel subscribers are making more than 700 in a single day. If you want in, the link is waiting for you in the description. Another trade closed with confidence. Moments like this remind me why I chose to dedicate my life to trading. The Australian and the Canadian dollar. Now I'm investing the maximum possible amounts, 991, and pressing the low button. I'm hoping the situation with the asset will improve. Currently, buyers failed to break through the resistance level, but they have not fully given it up to the sellers yet. Indicators suggest the bull's strength is waning, so I'm expecting a decline. My prediction was spot on again. Although we closed the deal near the entry point, the most important thing with this platform is accurately predicting price movement. We benefit not from the difference between buy and sell. We benefit if we make the right choice between higher and lower. Thanks to my background, I made the right choice. Alright, let's move on to the final deal. Now Canadian dollar and yen. I'm going all in with a maximum investment of 1,000, pressing the lower button. The asset is going through a strong bullish rebound, but it's only temporary. There's a bearish response coming soon and it will drive the price back down. Another spot on call. Today my deposit sits at 2,823. Which I think proves how efficient this strategy is. So use it, trade with it, and achieve great results. Friends, imagine having the knowledge to move confidently toward your goals and make informed decisions. The freedom to travel, support your loved ones, and live the life you've always dreamed of. That's all possible with the right know-how, consistent work, and smart choices. My community is not just a group of like-minded individuals. It's a place where people study the market, exchange ideas, and get access to my daily market analysis. I explain my steps, share the experience I've gained over years of work, and show even newcomers how to understand the market. Right now, the community is open for anyone ready to learn and move forward. Access is free. All you need to do is click the link in the description under this video. Come join us. This is your chance to pick up new knowledge today. I'll be waiting for you in our community.